Hello po. Hello po sa inyong lahat, mga kababayan, mga minamahal. Good morning po. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay 20 ng July. July 20, 2024. At ang oras po dito sa Los Angeles, California ay 7:30 ng umaga. Saturday, walang pasok, kaya medyo natanghalian tayo. Late po tayo ng 1 hour. Dati kasi 6:30. Pag may pasok, 6:30. Uh, Medyo makulimlim. Nais ko lang mag-vlog patungkol dito sa Trump assassin attempt. Yan po ang i-discuss ko ngayon. Ayaw ko sana pero sobrang dami na ang nagba-vlog po dito sa Amerika. Opo. At marami na rin akong sinasagutan sa yung nagko-comment din ako doon sa mga vlogs nila. Opo. Kaya naisipan ko na gumawa ako ng vlog din patungkol dito. Opo. And I will try to speak in English and in Tagalog for the benefit of others, so that they can understand those important matters. I will try to speak in English. Ito nga laman ng ngayon ng balita at hindi po humihinto, mas lalong dumadami yung nagbablog. Opo, patungkol dito. Pero ako ay Democrats. Opo. Kay Biden po ako. Ang reason ko naman ay hindi naman ba itago talaga Yung reason ko, ayaw ko kay Trump. Ayaw ko kay Trump dahil delikado po yung ganyang leaders. Parehas lang po yan ni Duterte. He is the same with Duterte. He will bring the country to anarchy and disorder because of his words. Remember, the power of life and death is on the tongue. Nasa Biblia po yan. So, Trump is very dangerous. That's why I do not want. But in policies, I do not care what policies they are aiming or they are fighting, because I know it will not come. It will not come to pass. They will just promise you like this, but it will never come. That is politics. But my dislike to Trump is the way he speak and the way he treat the law or the rule of law. Okay? So that it is clear. Ito nga yung assassin na kung saan ay walang makita na record na mayroon siyang kontak o nag-utos sa kanya. Wala. At ako, naniniwala po ako dyan. Kasi nga, dito po sa Amerika, marami na pong ganyan na walang nagsugo pero sila ay pumapatay o ganyan ang ginagawa nila. Opo, marami na pong ganyan. Ang kwan po dyan, ang dahilan po dyan, yung mga bata nanonood sa video game. Yan po. Yan po. At hindi po ako pwedeng magkamali dyan. Nanonood sila ng patayan sa video game o araw-araw yun ang pinapanood nila. Kaya ganyan. Marami na ngayon na lumalabas na ganyan. Na parang normal na lang sa kanila. Opo. Ako ay naniniwala na walang nagsugok doon sa tao. Opo, kung siya man ang pumatay o kung siya man, kung totoo man na siya ang bumaril. Hindi po natin hindi po natin masabi na talagang siya ang bumaril eh. Opo. Kasi doon sa nakita ko po na video, siguro 2 to 3 minutes gumagapang pa siya eh. O habang nagsasalita si Trump, while Trump is speaking, he is crawling, and the roof is very big, very large. Now, how come he can come to the rooftop at the span of 3 minutes or 2 minutes and then fire the shots? The woman is shouting, "There is a man on the roof, there is a man on the roof." The woman is shouting, and it is recorded with time. And after that, 2 minutes to 3 minutes, the first fire was heard. Can he do that? I don't know. But that is very questionable for me, and this is only my opinion. Okay, now we go back to this. It is a trend today that there are so many records that the culprit or the assassin is just killing the people because they want it. Or, as I have read in other blogs, they seek attention. Or they are bullied long time ago and then they want to show that they are strong or they can do this and that. That's why they do it. Now, this assassin supposed to be has no record of former crime. No, but why he can do it? The problem is he is watching or he is doing it in the game, in the computer. Yan po ang dahilan dyan. Bakit ko sinabi yan? Ay ito nga, babasahin ko lang Jeremiah 17:9. The heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? Wala po nakakaalam yan. Walang nakakaalam. Nobody knows how desperate is our heart or wicked. But it is stated the heart is deceitful. And that is true because it is written. And who can know it or who knows it or who can understand it? That is a desperately wicked. Who can know it? Only God can know it. So, my point is, what we hear and what we see or what we believe in, we have to filter. We have to compare it to the Word of God. Okay, Mark 4:24. Then he said to them, Jesus Christ is talking. Then he said to them, take heed what you hear. In other translation, be cautious on what you hear or take precaution on what you hear. Meaning on what you believe in. Even though you hear that, you have to filter it if that is true or not. With the same measure you use, it will be measured to you. And to you who hear, more will be given. Okay. Proverbs 4:23. Guard your heart with all diligence, for from it flow springs of life. Meaning, guard your heart, or it is the same thing. You have to take precautions on what you believe or on what you are cherishing in your heart. You have to be careful. Okay, and the last one is Matthew 6:22, wherein Jesus Christ is telling here, the eye is the lamp of the body. The eye is the lamp of the body. If your eyes are good, your whole body will be full of light. So, there are we have the eyes, we have the heart, and we have the ear. We must be very careful on this, because this will bring us to something else. Okay. The assassin is watching, or he is he played the game of wars, like that. So that is in his heart or in his mind, or that is his life. So many are telling that this was staged. Now, of course, if that is staged, it is Trump's side who do it. Okay, I also some percentage of believing that it is staged. Some also is telling it is done by the Democrats, Joe Biden. Yes, I can also believe that, but at a percentage only. But I believe there is no such like that. The boy or the assassin do it alone. That is the percentage that I believe in. Maybe 60%. The assassin acted alone, and maybe talking of the percentage, 30% is that I believe is it was staged, and 10% it was the Democrats who do it. But that is only my opinion. What I believe is the boy or the assassin acted alone. That's why I am giving you this verse that we must examine what we hear or what we see or what we believe in. We have to examine. Now, and do not believe on what you see. Do not believe. I will give you an example. When Holyfield or when Mike Tyson bite the right ear of Holyfield, we cannot see it. And the referee is asking why. But Holyfield withdraw and he is turning around. But in the slow motion, remember in the slow motion, we see that Tyson bite in the slow motion. Okay? Now, after that, we do not know the damage. We do not know. Now, what happened is somebody clean the air. They put water, they pour some water and clean the blood. And then we see exactly what is the damage. Correct or not? I am not sure if all my listener are boxing fan, but you can see that in the YouTube now. Without the water, you do not know the damage. You cannot account for the damage without the water or without cleaning. Now, go back to this ear of Trump. Did we see the hole? No. Because there is a blood. Did we see the damage? No. Now, until now, there is no doctor or there is no picture that this is the damage. We see only the blood. But the blood is very easy to put there. Or somebody, I heard, or in the blogger, they are telling it is just a cell phone or a glass was hit by the bullet and the glass go in the ear of Trump. I don't know. But I am telling you, do not believe what we see. Do not believe. You have to examine. That's why we have doctors. We have the expert. And we have people who are licensed to do that. For example, the doctor will say, oh, there is a cut in the ear. And how many stitches is needed? But the media is always telling, oh, he was, I don't know how to explain that. But uh, uh, in the Bible, Thomas is telling about Jesus, Thomas is telling, unless I see the hole in his hand or the nail hole in his hand. You see? Now, and that is normal. That is normal to human being. You have to see the evidence. But when Thomas saw the hole, he believed. Now, I will ask you, did we see the hole in the ear or a cut in the ear? I don't know. And that is now some of the bloggers is telling. This morning, I just heard it that one blogger is telling, why there is no doctor certificate? Why there is no bulletin every hour? What happened? Or every 12 hours, what happened? When Biden was confined in COVID because he was COVID-19, there is a doctor. You see? So, going back to my discussion, we have to examine. We have to see what is happening and do not believe in what we are seeing. No, you have to perceive. The Bible is telling us, keep on hearing without understanding, and keep on seeing without perceiving. So, we have to perceive. And what we hear, we have to understand why. Again, I am telling that I believe that the assassin acted alone. Now, I will not discuss other things here like the failure in the security. I will not discuss that. Or why like this? Why like this? I am just discussing what is actual that I see or others are questioning. So, I believe that the assassin acted alone, and if there is somebody who commissioned it, I believe more on the Trump side because they will benefit. Now, on the Biden side, I do not believe because this is election. Anybody can win. No problem. Why kill the opponent? Why kill because you are thinking that he will win? No. You will not do that. So, again, I will give emphasis. I believe the assassin is alone because of that background. Anybody can do that. The heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can understand it? I can give you one example, but I cannot give you the detail. Here in the U.S., the Joker just spread the bullet to the audience, and the audience think that it is part of the play. There is a Joker who is wearing the mascot, but I think he killed 17 people or 22 people in the auditorium. You see, but nobody told him. But I think he is unhinged, or he has a problem in mental health. That is why I am telling you this. Nowadays, the people are can do anything because they watch the game. I have a son. Now he is 24 years old, U.S. Navy. But when he is young, I am surprised because he is almost telling me, "Father, I almost conquered the world." He is telling me like that. "Father, I almost conquered the world." But when I examine what he is doing, he is in the night, he do not sleep. He is just on the gameplay. That is what I am telling you. Oh, why he is telling I am ready to conquer the world. Oh, and he is very young. But I have the word of God, so I corrected him. That is an example. A kid will say that I am ready to conquer the world. Oh, because they are playing the game. And in the game there is a war. I don't know what is that, but I know it because I watched him playing the game. And then I told him, that is not good. Son, that is not good. But I want him play that sometimes because he know the map of the world more than me because of that play. Particularly Europe. So, that is my opinion only. That is my opinion. And I am not forcing my opinion to be believed by you. It's up to you if you believe or not. But I just give this blog so that it can help. Particularly for those who are some question in mind. Okay? And I'm sorry, hindi ko na nabanggit yung mga sa susunod na lang itong mga natin. Utang ko na lang muna sa inyo, Hindi ko nabanggit yung mga pangalan. Ay time na, oras na. At salamat po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa inyong pakikinig at dinadalayan ko po na tayo ay sa ating pakikinig ay makakuha tayo ng wisdom na nanggagaling po sa itaas o sa Diyos. Muli, mga kababayan, mga minamahal, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Good morning po at salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Salamat po.